Holy smokes. Strap in guys, because what I'm about to tell you is going to blow your mind. Imagine a world where AI knows what your customers want before they do. A world where millions of personalized campaigns are crafted simultaneously. Sounds insane, right? Well, guess what? We're not just imagining it, we're living it. I'm Des from the Ecom Corner, and we're about to dive headfirst into an AI revolution that's flipping marketing on its head. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to surf the tidal wave of AI-driven marketing success. Let's go. Alright, listen up, because this is really important. We're talking 2025 and beyond, where AI isn't just some fancy buzzword, it's the backbone, the lifeblood, the very essence of every killer marketing strategy out there. Now, I've been in e-commerce trenches for a while and I've seen tech evolve at breakneck speed, and let me tell you, what's coming up next is going to make your jaw hit the floor. But before we peer into this insane future, I want you to do something for me. Right now in the comments, tell me how much of your marketing is currently powered by AI. Go on, drop that number in. I bet my bottom dollar that by the end of this video you'll be itching to crank that number up to 11. In this video, we're going to explore 5 mind-bending ways AI is going to revolutionize marketing. We're talking real-world applications that will make your head spin, potential challenges that will keep you up at night, and most importantly, how can you prepare your business to absolutely crush it in this AI-driven future. Now, first up, we've got something that's going to make mass marketing look like it belongs in a museum next to dinosaurs. We're talking hyper-personalization at scale. In 2025, AI won't just be segmenting your audience, it'll be creating individual marketing strategies for each and every customer. I'm talking about an AI that knows your customer better than they know themselves. It's analyzing their browsing history, purchase patterns, social media activity, heck, it might even know what they had for breakfast. And here's a stat that will make your brain explode. By 2025, AI will be processing data from over 75 billion connected devices worldwide. That's not a million, that's a billion, but 75 billion of that. That's more devices than there are people on Earth. But wait a second, let's take a step back. Remember when we thought personalized email greetings were the height of marketing tech? Oh, how naive we were. It's like comparing a bicycle to a spaceship. And speaking of which, did you know Elon Musk's spaceship? No, let's stay focused, back to the marketing. Now let's talk about something that keeps you marketers tossing and turning at night: predicting market trends. In 2025, AI's predictive capabilities will make our current methods look like we're reading tea leaves while wearing a blindfold. We're talking about AI systems that can analyze global market trends, consumer behavior patterns, and social media sentiment in real time. But here's where it gets really wild. These AI systems will be able to simulate thousands of different marketing scenarios faster than you can say ROI. Now imagine testing a year's worth of marketing strategies in just a few hours. It's like having a marketing time machine. Now, I want you to think about the worst marketing prediction you've ever made. We've all been there, right? Share your stories in the comments and let's have a good laugh before AI makes these mishaps extinct. Alright, content creators, hold on to your hats, because this next bit is going to knock your socks off. By 2025, AI won't just be handling the boring back-end stuff. It'll be a content creation powerhouse. We're talking about AI systems that can create entire marketing campaigns from scratch. Video scripts, ad copy, email sequences, social media strategies, all created by AI and optimized for maximum engagement. But look, don't freak out. This doesn't mean creative professionals will be out of a job. Instead, AI will be like having a super-powered assistant handling the heavy lifting while humans focus on the big picture stuff. And you know what? This reminds me of a conversation I had with a friend who's a painter. He was worried that AI would replace artists, but then I showed him AI can actually be a tool for creativity. It's not a replacement. It's like how the invention of the camera didn't kill painting, it revolutionized it. The same thing is happening in marketing. Now let's step into a world of science fiction made real. We're talking augmented reality marketing powered by AI. This is the stuff that makes me feel like a kid in a candy store. And by 2025, AR won't just be a cool gimmick, it will be as essential to the customer experience as having a website today. And if you just imagine an AI-powered AR that lets your customers virtually try on their clothes, test out furniture in their homes, or even experience a product before it's even been manufactured. It's like having a holodeck from the Star Trek, but for shopping. But close your eyes for a second. No, seriously, do it. Now imagine walking into a store where everything you see is tailored to your tastes and needs. Now you can open them, because that's the future of online shopping with AI-powered AI marketing. And it's mind-blowing, right? And last but not least, let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize how we interact with customers. AI-powered customer service. By 2025, AI chatbots and virtual assistants will have evolved to the point where they're nearly indistinguishable from human customer service reps. These AI agents will be able to handle complex queries, understand context and emotion, and even anticipate customer needs before they've even been expressed. But guys, it gets even crazier. These AI systems will be able to analyze customer interactions in real time, identifying upsell and cross-sell opportunities, and even predicting potential issues before they even arise. It's like having a crystal ball for your customer relationships. Guys, we've just taken a wild ride into the future of marketing, and let me tell you, it's a future that's going to be here before we even know it. From hyper-personalization to AI-created content, from ethical AI to virtual influencers. The marketing landscape of 2025 is going to be unrecognizable from what we know it today. But look, here's the kicker. This future isn't some distant reality. It's happening right now. And the businesses that start preparing today will be the only ones crushing it tomorrow. So what can we do to ride this AI wave? Here are 3 actionable steps. Now, the first one is you need to start small. Implement one AI tool in your marketing stack this week. It could be a chatbot, it could be an AI-powered analytics tool, even an AI writing assistant. It doesn't really matter. Now, what you also need to do is you need to stay informed, and that means following AI trends in marketing and even in e-commerce. Join communities like mine, like the Ecommerce network on school.com, where you can learn and discuss these developments with fellow entrepreneurs. And then lastly, you need to be ethical. As you implement AI, always prioritize your customer privacy and fairness. Build trust and build a sustainable business. Remember, the future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Will you be left in the dust, or will you ride the wave of success? The choice pretty much is yours. But wait, before you go, I've got something that's going to completely knock your socks off. Because in the next video, we're diving into 100 e-commerce hacks to 10x your store's growth. That's right guys, we're talking 100 actionable, mind-blowing hacks that can potentially 10x your store's growth. We're not just talking small improvements here, we're talking exponential growth. And the best part, these aren't just theories, these are battle-tested hacks that have been proven to work in the real world. It's like having a cheat code for your e-commerce store. So if you thought this video was valuable, just wait until you see what's coming up. It's going to be an absolute dynamite. Don't miss out, hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Your future self will thank you for it when you're swimming in all those extra sales. Alright, that's it for today. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the future of e-commerce.